Do you want quick access to your favorite accessibility features? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you choose exactly what the floating accessibility button can do. Let me show you how. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Accessibility shortcut. Next, tap Accessibility button. Make sure floating over other apps is selected. Now tap Select Action. Here you will see a list of accessibility features that can be added to the floating accessibility button. Simply check the feature you like to access. For this example, let's select color filter. Once selected, the color filter icon is added to the floating accessibility menu. Now go to any screen, then tap the color filter icon on the floating accessibility button. As you can see, your phone instantly turns the color filter on using the setting you have already configured. Tap the icon again to turn it off. As a note, you can add multiple accessibility features, making it easy to access the one you use most. And that's how to choose what the accessibility button does on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.